This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to keep a secret. Keeping a secret is more than just holding information. It's about building and maintaining trust. When you demonstrate discretion, you show respect for others and their privacy. This strengthens your relationships, both personal and professional, creating a foundation of reliability. It helps avoid misunderstandings and protects reputations, fostering a more secure environment for everyone involved. To effectively keep a secret, first, be selective about who you share with. Ideally, limit it to 1 or 2 people. Second, always avoid public places or unsecured online platforms for sensitive discussions. Third, practice active listening and resist the urge to gossip, even innocently. Finally, mentally flag information as confidential, helping you remember not to disclose it. These simple steps significantly boost your ability to maintain discretion. In our digital world, keeping secrets also means securing your online presence. Always use strong, unique passwords for every account, ideally a mix of 12 to 16 characters. Enable two-factor authentication wherever possible for an extra security layer. Be very cautious about what personal details you share on social media. Finally, regularly update your software to protect against new vulnerabilities, ensuring your digital secrets remain safe and sound. Embracing discretion brings numerous benefits to your life. You'll find your relationships deepen as others see you as a reliable confidant. This builds a strong reputation for trustworthiness, opening doors both personally and professionally. Furthermore, discretion significantly reduces unnecessary drama and potential conflicts, creating a more peaceful environment. Ultimately, it gives you a sense of control and integrity over the information entrusted to you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.